Number 1.
A position for a fresh face with no wrinkles. We often need to get used to sleeping on our backs. The good thing is that this pose has many advantages. Your spine straightens as your body relaxes without any straining or pressure. It's known that extra tension in the neck area can lead to a headache. Also, sleeping on your back can help preserve not only your health but also your beauty. Research has proven that sleeping with your face on the pillow contributes to the appearance of gravitational wrinkles, which doesn't happen when you sleep on your back. In order to make sleeping in this pose more comfortable, make sure to use an orthopedic pillow.
Number 2.
Additional pillow for relaxing the spine. It's both nice and healthy to sleep on your back. But in order to maintain the correct position, you will need a pretty hard surface. In order to decrease the load even more, place a small pillow under your knees. It will help you to preserve the natural curve in your neck and back areas.
Number 3.
Sleep without a pillow. The pillow was invented for supporting the body during sleep. But those who like to sleep on their bellies should probably ditch it. Scientists came to the conclusion that sleeping on the belly makes the spine assume an unnatural position, and the pillow, in this case, worsens the situation even more. In order to minimize tension during sleeping in this pose, it's better to fall asleep on a flat surface. If you find it hard to get used to it, place a small cushion under your forehead. It will make it easier to breathe. Normally, sleeping on the belly is considered the least healthy position for the body. But those who find it difficult to fall asleep in a different position might seek help from a thin cushion placed under the belly and hips, which will help sustain the spine's natural position. Also, try using a flat pillow for your head and consider the option of sleeping without a pillow at all.
Number 4.
Pillow for hugs. It will be much more useful to sleep on your side if you use an additional pillow. You've probably seen those special pillows for pregnant women. They create additional support for the body, thus removing tension from the hips and waist. This effect can be applied to absolutely anyone. The pillow filling the space between the body and the mattress restores the natural position of the spine.
Number 5.
The embryo pose. This pose seems to be the most comfortable. Whenever we think about a worn bed, we instantly have a desire to curl up. This position has its advantages. Thanks to the right curl up, the joints open up. The embryo pose can be good for people suffering from herniated intervertebral discs. Though you'd better consult with a doctor first anyway.
Number 6.
Sleeping together. It's always nice to fall asleep hugging your loved one. Now it has been found that it's also good for your health. According to research, people in a relationship fall asleep stronger and more soundly. Hugs promote the production of oxytocin that decreases arterial pressure. This means that there are fewer risks for cardiovascular disease. And of course, sleeping together gives a feeling of intimacy and increases the level of trust between people. All you need to do is to divide the blanket and enjoy the sleep.